ให้ฮิโมป่ะให้เต๋อเจ้าฮิโม
ยังไง
ให้มีเต๋อให้มีเจ้าฮิโมให้มีเจ้าฮิอีเอ็นเจียงละโวเต๋อขโมค่ะก็สวยจัดเต็มเต๋อขโมก็สวยแล้วจันแล้วสวยตอนเนี้ยอ๋อ
สวยแล้วเลย
apa answer question is written
How did the happy prince help the poor woman?
The prince felt pity.
The happy prince.
Oh, the happy prince felt pity for them. The prince asked the swallow to pluck out his ruby from the hilt of his sword, and give it to the old poor seamstress. The swallow obeyed his order and placed the ruby beside the woman.
Okay.
Uy, ka rin ay napantoy.
Masaylat nal zat law daw nal daw thiam tur khan
Yan na lang. Apa, teka mo Aaron and Ali coming lang sa Aaron and Ali. Why did Aaron and Ali? The happy prince felt pity for them. The happy prince felt